Okay, so hey guys, this is Ramath here, and today I am going to present you how I did my 3.2C task. It's like a tutorial. If you don't know anything about it, it's alright. I will just explain you. Okay, so I go to a skeleton sketch from this Arduino cloud. I have the cloud. Let me just show you. Okay, here it is. So when we go to setup, I have demonstrated this whole task in the end. So if you want to see that, you can skip to the last. It's like 1 minute, I guess, long video. So it will go right. So when we upload something, like when we actually create any sketch, this will be the skeleton sketch we get. I have made some changes obviously in Word and all like that, and made some variables. This was done in I guess 3.1 or 2.2 task, so no need to explain all that. I will just explain you all the code. So now this is the thing properties.h header file, which is always like you know predefined or default or system library, you can say, for IoT services. Let's see. And this DH1 750 FVI.h is the library for the light sensor we are using. I have shown you light sensor in the demonstrated video where I explained the circuit diagram also. So this is the initialization for the light meter. I have used the light meter attribute. Some of them are using like light sensor attribute. I mean light sensor function also, which is also fine. Both are the correct versions of this. You can say library. I guess yeah, library or header file you can say. So now we just initialize the client, and then we went to setup. Serial of beacon is normal delay. Yeah. So pin mode for output. Yeah, I made this um, change in the code. I added the pin mode for output. Like if I'm getting an email or something, I want my circuit to show that yes, I am getting that, or the light is efficient. So we can just add the buzzer to it or a normal LED light. Yeah, and this is the initialization of the activator. And yeah, setup is now almost complete. Yeah, setup here is complete. Now we come to loop. So here the loop is light. I have made the light felt variable here, I guess. Yeah, int variable, and it will get the amount of light intensity from the light sensor, and after a delay it will after a delay of 2 seconds. After a delay of 2 seconds, it will just give the mail or send the mail. How it will send it is related to IFTT part. I will just explain to you later. First of all, it's all about code part. So I have made the short variable here of string data type. Yeah, just a second. Yeah, sorry. So here the show is the efficient light was present at this time for. So this show will be displayed on the we can say the mail. Let me just show you the gameplay. Yeah, like this. I made some changes to it long time. It was all really demonstrated part. And yeah, if the light fade or the intensity of light, if the light intensity is more than 100, we can see the line will display as the efficient light was present at this time. Okay, so this was the IFTT part I was talking about earlier. So we can see it will here it will display value 1, that is intensity. The amount of intensity is here is like I can say emitting on the light sensor, and value 2 will display the data, or we can say just show in our case shows, I guess you will remember. Just this. Yeah, show was the string part of the code of the program, which will be displayed in the email. And in this case, the vision light is not present at this time for the plant. Yeah, I guess that's and now the demonstration part will be there. So yeah.
Hey guys, this is the demonstration video for the task 3.2c where I can show you the circuit diagram or the real circuit, and here are the mails I am getting from Webooks. As you can see, there is not sufficient sunlight present for the plants at this point of time, and you can see right now the time is 11:51. So if we just refresh it, we can have this message 11:51 am, and it can show the date and what exactly is the event. In this case, I have not changed the event name from the test demo file like we did, so it's same as counter change. And I can show you like there is not sufficient sunlight present for the plants. We can also change the string value like whatever present here. So yeah, that's it.